In this video, we're going to explore how to validate zip codes, also known as postal codes, from different countries around the world. We'll be using regular expressions to match these postal codes and ensure they follow the correct format. Let's start with the United States. United States zip codes come in two formats. The first is a 5-digit code like 12345. The second is a more extended format that includes the 5 digits, a hyphen, and then an additional 4 digits such as 12345-6789. To validate United States zip codes, we can use the following regular expression: *\d open curly bracket 5 close curly bracket open parenthesis hyphen \d open curly bracket 4 close curly bracket close parenthesis $. Next, let's take a look at the United Kingdom postcodes. These are a bit more complex. They follow a letter number pattern and include a space. Examples include S, W, 1A1A, M, 11A, E, and B, 33AT, H. To validate United Kingdom postcodes, the regular expression is open square bracket a hyphen Z close square bracket open curly bracket 1, 2 close curly bracket \d open square bracket a hyphen Z \d close square bracket space \d open square bracket a hyphen Z close square bracket open curly bracket 2 close curly bracket $. Now let's consider Canadian postal codes. These codes follow a letter space digit pattern. Examples include K1A0A6, M5V3L9 and T2P1J9. The regular expression to validate Canadian postal codes is open square bracket a hyphen Z close square bracket \d open square bracket a hyphen Z close square bracket space \d open square bracket a hyphen Z close square bracket \d $. Moving on to Germany, the postal codes here are straightforward. They consist of exactly 5 digits. Examples include 1011580331 and 20095. The regular expression for German postal codes is \d open curly bracket 5 close curly bracket $. Now let's see how we can implement this postal code validation in Python. First, import the re-module for regular expressions. Then define a function called validate postal code that takes the postal code and the country code as inputs. Inside the function, we create a dictionary called patterns to store the regular expression patterns for each country. The countries included are the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, and Germany. Finally, the function returns a Boolean value indicating whether the provided postal code matches the regular expression pattern for the specified country, using the re.match function. Here are some examples of how to use the validate postal code function. If we test cases for the U, S, U, K, Canada and Germany postal codes, these should return a result of true. If we test the function with invalid postal codes, the function returns a result of false. Here are the key takeaways from this video. First, each country has unique postal code formats, requiring different regular expression patterns. Second, regular expressions provide a fast and reliable method for postal code validation. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.